If you ever find yourself in the middle of a heart attack, you have just 10 seconds before you lose consciousness. But there's a way to fight back. Cough. Hard. Repeatedly. It sounds simple, but it can be a lifesaver. Take a deep breath in, and then cough like you're trying to clear something from your throat. This action helps keep blood flowing to your brain, buying you precious time until help arrives. Remember, every second counts. So, if you or someone you know is at risk, share this information. You might just save a life one day. Also follow @HealthHub_official to stay more updated.